Hello, welcome back to another series of my presentation. So today, we're going to explore about the orders of the subgroup. Okay, so last discussion on my subgroup presentation, I already discussed about how it works. But now, let's discuss further about this matter. So, to determine the orders of the subgroups, okay, let's define our group with 16 elements. Okay, so our geotile model consists of 16 elements. So in a group G, we have the elements of G, E1, O1, M, E2, T, R, Y, C, L, A, S, H, O2, F, and Z, so that the order of this group is 16. And according to the Lagrange theorem, we should think of a multiples of 16 to determine the valid subgroup orders. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 multiples of 16, so that our subgroup will only revolve into that number of elements. So now, let's define the subgroup of order 16. Okay, so the group itself is the subgroup of order 16, is also known as the improper subgroup. So improper subgroup has the elements G, E1, O1, M, E2, T, R, Y, C, L, A, S, H, O2, F, and Z. Okay, so this is the group in full. So it is closed under the operation and it has identity and it satisfies all the group properties as we already proved it in the previous discussions. Now let's determine the proper subgroups. So these are the subsets of the group. So our subgroup order of 8, subgroups of order 8. So these are the subgroup 1. Subgroup G1 has the element of G, E1, O1, M, E2, T, R, Y. So a total of 8 elements. And subgroup G2 is equal to element of G, O1, E2, R, C, A, H, and F. And also we have subgroup G3 is equal to G, O2, E2, R, L, S, O2, and 7. Those are the subgroups of order 8. So basically, it means it has 8 elements inside. Okay. Now, subgroup of order of force, we have subgroup G4, which has an element G, O1, E2, and R. Subgroup of 5, which have G, E2, C, and H. Subgroup G6, which has an element of G, E2, S, and Z. Subgroup 7, subgroup G7 is equal to G, E2, A, and F. Subgroup 8, G, E2, L, and O2. And we have also subgroup 9, G, E2, and subgroup G10 is equal to GC. Subgroup G11 is equal to GL. Subgroup G12 is GA. Subgroup G13 is GS. Subgroup G14 is GH. Subgroup G15 is GO2. Subgroup G16 is GF. And subgroup G17 and G is equal to G7 in the subgroups of order 2. And for our trivial subgroup, which is the subgroup of order number 1, we have G18 is equal to G, which is our identity. And now, that is all for the order of subgroups. Thank you for listening.